What's up, guys? We're back today. Yesterday we got the motor sit down in it. We got a lot to do. Today we're going to start kind of toward the bottom and just work our way up. We still got to tighten up our motor mount bolts. Put the starter wires on, maybe get the fuel pump in. Hopefully I'm going to get my intake back today. But anyway, we're going to move forward and let you guys just kind of watch. And soon we'll be about ready to fire this bad boy up. And I can't wait. So let's get after it. What's up, guys? If you've been following along, we've gotten quite a bit done so far. I'll flip you around here and show you a little bit. We got the carburetor on now. We got the fuel line. We got the headers on. We're really close to getting this thing ready to start. Today, we're going to do some more major work, getting it toward ready to fire. We got to put the distributor in it, but before we put the distributor in it, we got to build up oil pressure. So we got a tool that we're going to stick down in and turn the fuel. Keep saying fuel pump for some reason, but anyway, we got a tool that we're going to stick down in and turn the oil pump. So we build up oil pressure. Once we get oil pressure, then we'll be good to go. We know the whole motor has been pumped full of oil. We got to plumb the water system still. We got a few things we got to paint, so bear with us here. We're really close. Hopefully by this afternoon we'll be ready to fire it. So let's get into it, because I'm ready and I know you guys are ready to hear this bad boy. So let's get after it. Right now we're going to add our purple power, because you know purple power is going to make your car run cooler. Well, we started pouring water in, and I found a plug that I didn't put in the side of the block. It's actually in the head, but luckily we have a plug for it, so we're going to go ahead and plug it so I can fill this thing the rest of the way up. Alright guys, now what we're going to do now, we got the radiator in. We're having problems with the alternator. I was trying to work on it. I don't think the belt's going to work. The belt goes right through the upper radiator hose, so I don't know if that's going to work. But anyway, this right here is the end of a distributor shaft. So this is how we're going to prime the oil, drop it down where the distributor goes. Then we're going to attach a drill to the end of this and just turn it over until we got 60 pounds of oil pressure. That will be good to at least start it. You can probably do this with any manufactured vehicle that has a distributor at least. So you're just going to drop her down in here. Whale. Alright guys, so yesterday our #1 mechanic made an oopsie. He didn't put the oil pump rod in, so he had to do a whole mess of stuff, get the oil pump rod in it last night. Had to take the passenger side header off, take the motor mounts loose. Then we had to jack the motor up, be able to pull the oil pan off, got everything put back. Didn't want to do that like that, but luckily I didn't have to take it all the way out of the car. But now, since we got an oil pump rod, we should be able to turn this thing over and pump up the oil, and hopefully we will be ready to rock and roll and fire this bad boy up. So let's get after it.
It shouldn't take but just a minute. I won't take. You got all the, you ain't gonna blow oil everywhere, are you?
How am I gonna blow oil
I
everywhere?
don't know.
The oil's in the motor.
Yeah, it's coming up. Yeah, it's coming up. That's 60 pounds.
Huh?
60 pounds.
Holding?
Yeah, it's coming up 60. I think it's 60 dollars. It looks like, I think it's right above 40 in between. It's 80. Is that 80?
60 right here.
Well, it was not quite to there. It's about right there. It's about 50 pounds. I thought that's 80. So it must have been about 50 pounds. Have you got it about ready to crank over with the starter, or?
I just gotta put a battery in it. I gotta put a battery in, and I still gotta put the distributor in it, obviously.
In the waters?
Okay.
And it's just pump the gas in, but you ain't no gas carburetor. Wait, hold on. We got any gas?
Won't you pour some gas in it?
I didn't know for yet. You want to crank it a little bit? See if it'll get it up there, or you want to pour some in? Just crank it a little bit. Wow.
That's good. It's cheap.
This, all right, hit it. Over it. You got your hit her out. You got your trip. Get over it. Let it run just like that. Keep doing that, 'cause I hear it whipping. Well, that's pretty good, man. Just throw a trigger in there.
Charge it up.
It didn't hit right off. It didn't pop through the carburetor muffin. I don't think that carburetor ain't full of gas yet.
Still got blizzard seat.
Well, it may take him just a little bit to get, it ain't been running that long.
You get a belt on her.
Yeah, I gotta fix the alternator.
Yeah, I'd work on that now. You've heard it run. Well, that's pretty good, dog. With no pop good carburetor, fire
One 180 out. Remember the
You hit it dead on the money.
remember the big block when we started it?
Yeah.